Yeah, this is the morning ride, Sunday, July 24th, 2022. I'm riding to Aso Ohashi, which is straight ahead. Yeah, straight ahead. A couple of clicks and down the hill. Woo! I'm gonna ride, my first time riding there from the cottage, and the first time riding over the bridge on my bike here. Here's my trusty old folding mountain bike. I'm about to go straight ahead. Boom! I'll catch up with you on the way down there. There's no way I'm gonna hold this camera and go down that road. Okay, this is what I'm gonna be riding over in about a minute. Yeah, why not? Shit, hell yeah. Hopefully I can cross on the other side. This is Aso Ohashi, the new Aso Ohashi, which I'm gonna ride over for the first time. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, here we are, folks, halfway across. Scary. And I came from that area. Just gonna go over here. Yeah. I'm gonna ride back home the back way. So that road down there is the road everybody had to take before this bridge, this Ohashi, was built. This Ohashi opened 2 years ago, almost 2 years ago. Made it to the other side. Here we go, right. If this bridge isn't iconic yet, it certainly soon will be. It's amazing. It's really super high. I think it will be because the sunsets are awesome. The view is amazing. The height is incredible. There goes the guy, what I just did. I just did that. Yeah. It's awesome. It's an amazing view. That's the part that came down in the earthquake. The earthquakes 6 years ago. Wrecked the other bridge, and this is the new Aso Ohashi. An iconic bridge soon to be. I'm going to be going back that way over that road and down through this other small road to go back up there. I'm not going to take this back. I'll go home a different route. Okay, I'm gonna head down here and go around to the other side, babies. Woo. Oh. Iconic bridge, Aso Ohashi. We're about to see the underside. I do have other pictures of this bridge here. This is the most recent vid I have. Here's the underside. Oh yeah. Yep, this is next to the other side of the bridge, which I just walked underneath there. I'm not gonna go up that side really, because it's more of the same, just from this side. So I'm gonna go back up there and just start riding the other way home, because it's what, 10 o'clock? After 10, so yeah. Perfect ride. Oh my God, I'm happy I did this. This is so cool. This is an adventure. Oh yeah. Going up the last few steps here. Yeah. See you in a bit. So now I'm riding across this bridge. This is the first Shirakawa Bashi in Kumamoto. If I'm not mistaken, built 1927. I think this is the one. Cool. Or no? I think it is. At any rate, I'm moving across this bridge. So this is a sight you don't really see unless you do come on this bridge. That's the bridge I just crossed. And I'm coming home this way. There's a nice little gorge there. That's an amazingly high. This is an amazingly high bridge as well. Okay. Yeah, this is a spectacular view of Aso Ohashi. Oh my gosh. And that's the one I just crossed, yeah. Wasn't a bad ride. Really fun. Gorge down there. I'm just having a little rest in the shady area as I continue to move on. I'm walking it down a bit. It's just super hot. I did not come prepared today. Yeah, I regret that kind of. Yeah. Baka Jeff. I didn't have any money. I didn't put on any sunscreen because I thought it was just going to be a quicker ride. I didn't bring any water like a dummy. But I've only been on here 45 minutes or so. And it's a nice breeze right now. Oh, thank God.